I assure you, you have never seen this kind of trading platform before, especially those of you in the website design business who are also website designers. If you have never seen a trading platform fully packed with a lot of good features. All right. So this video is about showing you how this particular trading platform works, how you can set it up, how you can actually bring it to life, and as well we also go through each and every feature one after the other. So this part is the home page. All right. So you can see everything has been done. All right, so let's just scroll down and check through the home page. So this is the home page, and okay, so I'll go to the top again. You can see the other pages like the about us, our history, team, FAQ, the trading, all right, services, blog, contacts. So this is the login area. I'm just going to log into the user dashboard now and show you how the user dashboard is. So just hold on. Okay, it should direct now. All right, fine. This is the user what dashboard. Okay, so let me show you the way it is in mobile view. This is the desktop view. In mobile, you're going to see it like this. So just give it a few seconds. Okay, good. Now this is it in mobile view. Is it mobile view? All right, just click on this button here, and then you see the various menus. All right, so let's go back again to the desktop view. Let's go to desktop view. So I'll click on this again and I'll see the entire feature. You can see deposit right there. You can see withdrawal. You can see the code storage, investing, cards, as virtual card. You can see assets. You can see corporate trading. You can see bot trading. You can see the market. You can see the mining, the trade, real estate, loans, stocks, courses, AI signals, transactions, transfer, right, and even what support. So these are all the features this trading platform has. All right. So what we are going to do, we are going to start from scratch. That is showing you how to install, set up, and then we are going to go through each features. All right. So in this video, I will still try and make this video not to be too long. All right. So you guys can really understand everything. So for you to be able to set up this platform, you need a domain name and you need a hosting. So I have my domain name already and I have my hosting already. So I am going to log in into my cPanel now. cPanel is a control panel where I used to that has different tools for managing your hosting platform or your server. All right. So I just logged in into my cPanel now. All right. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go down, that is scroll down to file manager. File manager. So I will click on file manager. I'll click file manager and in your own you will want to upload it inside public underscore HTML. So I don't want to upload under public underscore HTML. I'm using this another domain that is this. All right, so I am going to upload it inside here. I'm going to upload it inside. So now once you have gone into the directory which you want to upload your files, the next thing you will do is go to upload. Then when you get to this page, it's asking you to select file. Just click on select file. Then your laptop file manager will actually want to open. So you click on this file now, right? This file, okay. So you open, then you're going to allow it to. Oops, I think I am my cPanel quota. I'm having a little bit of issue with my cPanel quota. So in case probably you have this type, something like this, all right, there's another way we can actually do it. Okay, so just go to your browser and search for this WinSP, WinSCP. All right, so go to WinSCP. So come here, you download. You got it here. You download it. All right. When you download and you open, you only do this if you know you got this in your what in your cPanel, but I'm sure you're not going to get it because my cPanel is actually my cPanel has a lot. All right, my cPanel has a lot, so that's why I got this. All right, so I'm so sure you are not going to get this. So when you are uploading, leave it until it shows green. Okay, so just permit me to go and use my WinSCP to upload this. So just to follow me in case maybe you encounter this, you can as well use WinSCP to upload. So now I have installed my WinSCP already. So I am just going to open. I'm just going to open. Okay. So if you check this now, these are the files inside your oh, hold on. Hold on, close. These are the files that are inside your what, your laptop. Okay. So this part right now, we are going to what, do a connection. All right. So to connect, all you have to do is come down to, where is it again? Where is it again? Okay. Okay, you see that now. Just click on new tab here. Okay, it's going. So you can see it will open. Though before when you open it, this pop-up actually came out. But if you close, you can click on a new tab here. Right. So I have my details saved already actually, but for your own you will see a new site here. So you're going to choose FTP. You're going to choose FTP. All right. So your host name will be your cPanel host name. So in your cPanel details, they will probably send you your host name. All right. cPanel detail will send you your host name. Then you put in your cPanel username, put in your cPanel what password, then click on what, on login. Okay. So I am going to pause this video right now so that I can just insert my password and I will log in. So mind you, let me go again. Like right now, you can see this is orange juice, the host name for orange juice. So your own cPanel will have its own host name. If I come to this one and this is the host name for this one, you see that it's quite what different. Okay, so your own cPanel will have its own host name. Put in your cPanel username, put in your cPanel password, then you click on what, login. So just a minute, let me pause this video to log in mine. So now I just pasted my password and I will click on OK. I'll click on OK so I can log in. So you can see connected, starting the session. All right. So now it has been connected. You will just need to, you see that it will open your entire file manager. All right. So if you come to this place now, you see that the files I have here is what is displaying here. Okay. So if you were going to upload yours into public_html, just click on public_html here. Okay. All right. Then I will also show you how to put the files, upload the files inside here. If you are going to upload inside another folder like me, select that folder. This is the folder now. All right. So the next thing is to actually get the file I want to upload inside here. So if you check here now, check this place here, you'll be seeing your C drive directory. My file is actually inside download. So I just need to scroll. All right. If you even know the name of the file, you can kind of type it if it's going to work. Okay. Now you can see I was at the top before all these folders. I selected a file. I didn't enter the file, I only selected the file and I typed AX. You can see it got me here. You can see it got me here. So I have selected it now. I have selected it. I just need to drag it. Okay. Drag it. Then you are going to wait for it to what, finish uploading. So you can see right now it's uploading. Okay. It's uploading. If your network is good, it will be very fast, just like mine. You can see now it's very fast. So FTP most times is very, very, very fast. So let's just wait for it to finish uploading. So by the time it's finished uploading, you're going to see the zip file there. You're going to see the zip file. So what we are going to do next is go to your file manager. If you can't see the file there, reload. Click on this reload. You can see click on this reload. So you can see that it is the same thing. It's the same thing when you do it from here. All right. So let's close this page now. So the next thing we are going to do is to uh, select this file, right click and extract. So extract is extracting. Okay, the extraction is done. I am going to click on close. I will reload this. When done, please delete this zip file. Delete it. Delete the zip file. All right. So the next thing now is before you move all the files from this folder to the folder you want it to be in, come to this settings here. Click on these settings. Show any files. Tick this. Show any files. Mine is already ticked. So you want to tick this. Show any files, and then you save. Okay. Then so that you can be able to see these env files and the other ones. Then you are going to click on select all. Select all. Look at it here. Select all. Then you move the remove the folder. You move it to the folder which you want it to be. This is the one. So then click on move files. All right. So one level, click on it. Delete this folder. We don't need it anymore. Delete that folder. We don't need it anymore. So the next thing is to go down here. You can see installation guide, right? Installation guide. You can edit to read through. You can edit to read through. So now let's read through. Said to make make sure you change your app key afterwards installation. Good. So let's do this first of all. Now I'm going to get my domain name, paste it, say what's your website URL, okay? Then rekey.php. That's the first thing I'm going to do. So you can see it's generate what app key. Then say what regenerate app key now. I will click on this. Okay. All right. So don't bother about that app key anymore. It has been what deleted. If you reload now, come down here, you will not see this app key anymore. All right, you will not see the file anymore. So the next thing is to set your database. Okay, so let's go and set. You can actually read through this to get a broader understanding of the installation, but we are still going to follow this. We have done this one, we have extracted. Okay, so let's come down here to set our database. To set your database, go to env, this env file here. You need to edit, edit it, edit the env. So from the top here, you can change your website name. So because mine is still on Axio, I'm going to leave it like that. This place here, you're going to change your app URL. Okay. So let's change our app URL now. This is my app URL. So I'll change it. That is it. And let's go down to this place here. My database details. Okay. So I will come down to my cPanel homepage. Scroll down to databases. Okay, I will select database wizard. Select database wizard. Now I'm going to type in a database. So let's say Azure DB. I'll click on next step. Now the database has been created. I'll copy it. Don't wait till you finish. Copy. Go to env. Look at the DB database. All right. Remove the old one. Paste this new one. All right. The next thing is what? Put your username Azure user. Next thing you're going to do is generate a password. Don't type in your password yourself. Generate very good password. All right. So I want to use this. I'll copy the password. Tick I have copied this password. That's if you have copied. And click on use password. Then you come again and paste the password here. Okay. The next thing is to create user. Create user. Then copy the username which was created. After you copy, come here and tick all privileges. Scroll down and make changes. Come here again, that is your env, and then paste the database username there. Then click on save changes. Okay. Now the next thing is to do is search for phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin, look at it here. phpMyAdmin. Click on it, allow it to load, and select yours will be actually free if you are using it for the first time. So I am going to select database I just created now. Look at the database, it's empty. So next thing is to come down to SQL folder, download this database file. After downloading, go back to php again, click on import, then click on select. You're going to download that database file you just created, you just downloaded. Select the database file you just downloaded, click on open. Then I'm going to scroll down and click on import. Click on what import. So we have to wait for it to finish importing. Awesome, awesome. So when you have this now, just know that it has been imported. So I'm going to click on structure. All right, so you see everything right now. Once you have done this, you can actually run your app. Go to your go to um your domain name, that is your URL. All right, so I tried running my own now. It's telling me uh, composer dependency require PHP version that is greater than 8.0. So I need to increase, or yeah, I need to increase my PHP version. And for me to do that, I'll go to my cPanel, go to the home page of my cPanel. That's clicking on tools. I'll go to I think PHP multi PHP manager. Yeah, multi PHP manager. Or you can just search for multi PHP manager. So multi PHP what manager. Now that domain name, all right. So I'm going to make it be in PHP version 8.2. Then I'll click on what apply. So next, let's reload. So you can see now that the website is what is up. Okay. So you're not done with installation yet. We still have a couple of things to do, like cron job and all that. So let's come down here. Okay, database setup we done, upload and extract we done. All right, we've done all these. Now cron job setup. Okay, cron job. All right. So for your cron job, this is how you're going to set your cron job. So copy this command. Don't add the last quotation, please. Don't add the last quotation. Copy this command. Let's go to tools again. And then now I'm just going to search for cron job. I don't want to start scrolling. Just search for cron. Then click on cron jobs. Then I'm going to go down. Okay. Now I'm going to go down. So here it's saying that select once per 5 minutes, right? So select once per 5 minutes. Here you are going to paste the command. Now this is not uh you're going to paste. I think we didn't copy the command very well. Copy including the last quotation, please. Yeah, including the last quotation. Copy everything and paste it here. So I'm going to put in my own domain name here now, so that it will not be that default. This is session for the URL. So I'll paste my own and I'll remove that last slash. Okay. This token here I can change. If I want to change token, go to env. I think that would be line 13. Okay. So I can just probably remove this trick days and make it Chrome 2026. So I'll copy the Chrome 2026 now. Once you change it here, please save. Save. So I'll come back here. I'll change it. Okay. Now I'll click on add new cron job. So you can see the one we just set now under there. Okay. So next thing we're going to do check the installation again. What next? Okay, so is admin. All right, so we're going to enter the admin now to do some setup. So I just pasted the admin now. I'm going to copy my own URL and put it there. So the default admin details is this for email, for email, paste it. For password, I'll type in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then I'll click on sign in. So it's reloading now. Perfect. Now we have entered the admin dashboard. This way you're going to do your website settings. So just come down here to settings. Okay, you see app settings, right? App settings. Then click on app settings. So you're going to put your website name, your website title. Mine is still Azure. I'm leaving it at Azure. Then your website URL, very important. Paste it there. Or I'll leave it at this. Okay, I'll leave it at this. Send trade emails on it. Turn it on. Okay, so WhatsApp number you can put it there. NFT gas fee here. So time zone, this is time zone. For your logo, right? This is where you're going to set the logo. When you're done, just click on update info. Update info. The next setting is preferences. So here you can put in your contact email. To create an email, you can do all this, check through all this one and know which are the one you want to enable and disable. Then click on save. Then email and authentication. So here for SMTP email. So let's go set up the SMTP now. So I'll show you how you can do that. Go to click on email account. Click on email account. So let's just create an email now. I'll create an email. So you select the domain name of which you want to create the email. So this is the username and mine. Your own can be any username. So I'm going to generate a password now. Mm, okay, I like this. I'll copy the password and I'll click on create. So after creating, come back to the admin. That password you created, paste it here. Okay. Most times, most times the host of your email is your domain name, but if your cPanel says otherwise, you should use it. Okay. So I am going to copy the email now. I'm going to copy the email now and okay, put the email here too. If you are using SSL, it should be 465. If you are not using SSL, it should be 587. That's TSL. TSL. So then I will scroll down and click on save. So you can see that now save. Okay. Then API configuration. Okay, 12 data API key. Right. So this one is required for the market data. So what do you do to get this? Just come down to the installation guide. So go to 12data.com. Go to 12data.com. Then create your account. Create your account, sign in. Then in your profile, you're going to get your API key, which you will paste in here. You paste in here, then you say what you save API keys. Okay. So if you want, you can also set a cron job for your crypto prices and for what's it called the 12 data. All right. So how do you do that? I showed you guys how to set up cron job just now. Go back to cron job. Okay. So put it in once per 15 minutes. Once per 15 minutes. So let's just come here, put it, add one here. So that, remember that old what's it called, command. So come here, move the quotation, let's come here, say what crypto prices. So I'll copy this last one here, to be like this, then click on what, save. For the other one, same thing, here's it, you click on, okay, click on save, all right, click on save. So that's how to what, set it. Okay, what should I settings? Okay, let's come down to payment settings. Let's come down to payment settings. So to set all these payments, you can just click on to add new, click on this to add new. You see this passphrase here that will be required. You get it from your ENV, which is of line 15. This is passphrase. Get it in line 15. Okay. Same thing for when you are editing. When you're editing, so let the page open. So this is passphrase is also needed, all right? So you also would paste the passphrase there, then you will click on what, save changes. So with this, I think we are done with the setup. Okay, so now go ahead and okay, I think one more live chats. Okay, to go to a live chat, go to the resources folder, the views folder, layout folder, then you edit the live chat update. So that this is it. So let's go back. So we see resources folder, views folder, layout folder, then got it here, edit the file, then you paste the what, the live chat code here, paste the live chat code here, this place. Then you click on what, on save. So that's it. Then that should be all for the setup. Then you can probably do the other ones too. So let's go into a dashboard now. So you can see the other part of it, like especially the users part. All right. So on the users part, this is where you can toggle draw verification codes. All right. You can see now. So you can toggle all these codes here. You can edit them. Then you click on what, save. Okay. The connected wallets will be here. Connected wallets will be there, and there you can view other uh, settings here. Look at it. Turn off trade, credit, and the debits. So set withdrawal code. Okay. So notify user dashboard. You can even log in the user account here. Like proceed. You can log in the user account. Okay. So this is the user dashboard now. You can go to deposits to make a deposit into your own account as you are funding your account. So this is it. All right. You can see the methods, right? Same from the one I showed you guys before. All right. So you can select particular one, put the amount, right? Then you click on continue to payment. Then the details will be copied and the payments will be made. Just complete the deposit by uploading the proof. Okay, so you can also see the withdrawal. Okay, so this is right. Select a method, click on proceed or continue, then input your details and you click on continue. Okay, so then for the code storage, so this part where you connect um, standard wallet. So let's click on this particular one now. Okay, so you have to put the details here and you what So let's put 12 words now. Let's say me, you, this, them, the, ox, be, church, web, sites, site, I. So now that it's 12, you can see the button came out, and I'll click on what connect. Then I'll be able to see it in the admin side. So the next is on the vesting. So you can select a plan, then you put in your details here. All right. So you can see now, let's say 500. Okay. All right. Then you click on what continue. So for card, so you can see a visual card, you can apply for more cards. So you can apply for a card. So you can go down here. So even assets to assets. Okay. All right. See that. So let's come down to copy trading. So you can see the copy trading here. You click on view experts. So you can copy a particular trader. So all this can be set from the admin. All this can be set from the admin. So let's come down to all right. So this has a lot of other features. This video is becoming too long and I don't want it to exceed 30 minutes. All right. So it has the other words features. So this is how to set up this kind of platform. All right. So if you still have any form of difficulty, all you have to do is contact me through my contact details, which is on this video description. All right. So anticipate more amazing content and more amazing videos just like this. See you guys in my subsequent videos.